What a real pleasure it is to be welcomed by you once again on this, my fourth trip to Ukraine.
Thank you so much. Thanks for coming. Your visit is very powerful.
Canadian PM Justin Trudeau met Ukrainian President Zelensky in Kyiv on February 24th.
Thank you. Thank you.
Justin Trudeau expressed his solidarity with Zelensky on the 3-year mark since Ukraine war. In a recent statement, Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau reaffirmed Canada's commitment to supporting Ukraine, emphasizing that the country will always stand by Ukraine's side.
Thank you.
Trudeau highlighted that Ukrainians deserve to live in a strong democracy. He also announced new sanctions targeting Russia's fleet, which is accused of helping to export illegal Russian oil globally. Ukrainian President Zelensky expressed his deep gratitude for Trudeau's fourth visit to Ukraine since the conflict with Russia began. He praised Canada's unwavering support and thanked Trudeau for hosting the G7 leaders meeting. During the summit, Trudeau revealed that Canada would provide armored vehicles and the first transfers from the $5 billion Canadian dollars allocated to Ukraine, sourced from frozen Russian assets. Additionally, he announced a grant to enhance energy security and help rebuild civilian energy infrastructure damaged by Russian attacks. On the third anniversary of Russia's invasion, Trudeau visited Kyiv to meet with Zelensky. Their discussions focused on defense cooperation, sanctions against Russia, and ongoing financial assistance to support Ukraine through the war.
What a real pleasure it is to be welcomed by you once again on this, my fourth trip to Ukraine.
Thank you so much. Thanks for coming. Your visit is
what a real pleasure it is to be